Every day we have this amazing responsibility and privilege of feeding the little people in our life. But if we're gonna be honest, like that can get old and frustrating and exhausting because we run out of ideas. And why do they have to eat again? Really? I mean, I know why they have to eat again, but it gets old hearing, "Mom, what's for dinner?" So what ends up happening, you succumb and you end up getting takeout or going through the drive-thru and you just end up spending too much money on eating out. Have you ever added that up? I know for our family, when we go out to dinner, it's $42 for one drive-thru trip through Chick-fil-A, and that's just too much. I cannot afford that on all the days that I just don't feel like cooking, like, I don't know, Thursdays, or days where life just throws me curveballs. I can't afford to do that. If we haven't met yet, I'm Erin Chase, busy working mom of 4 hungry boys, and I needed dinner help, and my guess is you need it as well. We both need dinner on backup for those crazy days. We need dinner in the freezer that we know we can start in the slow cooker when we know we have activities in the afternoon and we can't be home to cook in the afternoon. We need this help, and that's exactly why I built the MyFreezEasy freezer cooking program to help myself and to help you get dinner on the table in a much smoother and more efficient way. I would love to tell you more about this. Tap below, sign up for my free Freezer Cooking 101 workshop, and I will tell you more. And soon you'll be on your way to loving dinner again.